welcome everybody to the August 2014 Annuity Update Show right here on The Biz. My name's Eric Palmer. Thanks for joining us. Now, what I want to talk about this month, of course, is rates and caps. We're going to take a look at the 150 Plus, which is an index annuity from Forethought. And I also want to talk a little bit about the Saturday Summary, which is a news program we've put together here on The Biz. So let's start with the rates and caps. Well, we don't see a whole lot of great movement here with the 10-year Treasury, again, hovering right around 2.5%. So what does that tell us? We've got to focus on letting our consumers know that they've got to lock these products in now. If they're just sitting on the sidelines, they're losing out on opportunities to compound that interest, and we're probably not going to see a whole lot of movement with the interest rate anytime soon. I also want to quickly highlight the 5-year jumbo CD. Again, national average about 0.8%. So we know if we have a 2 to 3% rate on our multi-year guarantee annuities, we're going to have an opportunity to at least provide our clients with 3 times the rate that they can get at the bank. Now, speaking of a multi-year guarantee, let's take a look at some of the rates out there. We've got a 5-year, again, Sentinel Life has been a leader for a very long time here. We've got 3.2% on a 5-year. We've got 3.75% on the 10-year. So again, under 4% overall, but still strong rates when we're looking at it in comparison to a CD or some sort of a money market account. Now again, with the Sentinel product, remember there's optional riders available. It's a bit of an a la carte. So if you want liquidity, you want some extra features for your client, you got to add that and it'll bring the rate down just a little bit. Now, we also have Oxford Life. It's at 2.65%, but that includes liquidity. And remember, liquidity is key. Clients want to know that they can get access to some of their money at any given point, and you want to make sure that you're providing those options to them with these multi-year guarantee annuities. Now, I've also included North American in this particular month here because if you're looking for an A-plus rated company or a company that's in that high A category, North American's there at the top. They've got a 2.2% on a 5-year multi-guarantee, so keep your eye out again if you're looking for the strong ratings for the insurance companies. Now let's talk about index annuities, caps, and rates. Right at the top here, I'm highlighting the Athene Benefit 10. Now Athene Benefit 10 has been a product that's been around a long time. It offers a lot of different features, not just income, but we also have those enhanced benefits or the living benefit type features available for your clients. Now with Athene, we've got a 6% premium bonus, a 7% simple roll-up on the income rider, and they have a shore-up feature. And this is something that I actually really want to highlight. Every 5 years, if a client's annuity is not actually earning enough interest to cover the cost, they're going to shore it up, which means they're going to allow the interest to not bring down the overall principal in the actual contract. So that's a nice little feature that you want to look for when you're selling these index annuities that have high fees associated with the riders. Now, there's a great series that's come out here from Forethought. It's called the Forefront series. There's actually 4 product variations available with this one. So one of their products has high caps as much as 6.5%. They've got a premium bonus product available with a 7% premium bonus and a 5% annual point-to-point cap on the S&P 500. And they also have a version that has no fees, no riders, but high caps. So if you're looking for the purest of products, they've got it available. If you're looking for the premium bonus or you just want high caps, that's a great series to keep in the back of your pocket. Again, it's Forethought. It's the Forefront series, and again, 4 product variations available with that one. Now, the last product I want to talk about is Genworth Secure Living Index 10. They have that Cat Max feature. Again, they take a 3-year return, and in this particular product, it has as much as 26% gains that you can get in a 3-year period of time. So it's a nice little feature there if you want to talk about unique index strategies. They also have a 6% premium bonus and a bailout index option. Let's think about this for a second. Remember, I talked about the Treasury being in and around 2.5%. That means there's a potential for rate reductions here in the next several months. So if carriers are potentially going to bring down their caps, it's nice to have a bailout cap feature, which means they can't lower it past a certain number or your client gets to walk away without any surrender penalty. So that's a nice little feature on the Genworth product. So I'm going to shift here to the Forethought 150. Now, you've heard us talk about it a lot on the show. We talk about it, or at least mention it every single month, but it's a very unique product and it's top of its class. The Forethought 150 Plus is an innovative product with an innovative volatility control, which means it not only is a great income product, as I mentioned in the last month's show, but it's also very strong for accumulation. So what they have is a unique strategy called the Barclays Armor 2. It has 6 asset classes inside of this index, and it's managed monthly. So really what you're providing your client is a balanced allocation strategy that's actually going to combine multiple assets, and they're going to look at that every single month to make sure that they're putting the right amount of money in the right asset class. That means that you're going to average at least 8%, or we've seen over the last 12 years an 8% average annual return, and that's again available only on this product. Something that's really nice that Forethought just did here with this particular product is they actually offer a commission bonus up to 2% based on production. So if you're an advisor out there starting out the street level, you have the potential to make up to 2% in additional bonus commission for selling this product, again, based on different premium thresholds. So keep that in mind. Let us know if you have any questions about it, and we'll make sure we'll let you know what those premium thresholds are. So again, to wrap up this month's show, what I want to do is quickly highlight the Saturday Summary. It's a program that we put together here right at the Biz, and what we do is we highlight financial news, insurance updates, and of course the stock market performance and stock market reports. Now, weekly we see news from all over the country. It's the Wall Street Journal, it's Bloomberg. Everybody's got opinions and everybody's got news. But what we do with the Saturday Summary is we analyze that news, we interpret it for you as an insurance professional, and we provide you ideas and opportunities to go share that current event with clients and create new consumers and new opportunities. So every single week we come out with the summary. You can subscribe. You go right to thebiz.tv, click on the Saturday Summary at the top, subscribe to it, and we'll send you that video every single Saturday morning. Have a cup of coffee, read the news, and learn about new opportunities. So again, if you have any questions about what we've covered in today's show, just contact us. It's info@thebiz.tv, or you can go right to our website, www.thebiz.tv. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next month.